Hey guys, what's up? James here. Thanks for coming back to the shop again today. I get a lot of questions about what we actually do here to make money, and so I'm going to show you some of that today. We operate a fiber and a CO2 laser. We do a lot of laser marking for some military applications and for just a lot of other industries and for parts that we make as well. So I thought I'd give you guys a little montage of some of the stuff we do with our lasers. It's pretty cool. Crank up the volume. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to stay all the way to the end of the video where I'm going to give you a keyword to leave in the comments, and then every month I will pick someone to we're going to send a special laser etched item to, so on us. So stay to the end, get the keyword, leave it in the comments, like and subscribe. Peace out, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, a little montage of our lasers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and the keyword for the day is going to be laser. Leave the laser name, leave a comment with the word laser in it, and then I'm going to pick through those names, just do a random pick, and we'll send you a little gift from something out of the laser. So appreciate it guys, peace out till next time.